Hello guys, in this video I will explain to you the easiest way to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for all supported and unsupported devices without formatting or data loss. First, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. Before starting the upgrade process to Windows 11, you must ensure that you are running a 64-bit version of Windows 10. To confirm this, we will right-click on this PC icon. Then we click on Properties. Through System Type, we will ensure that we are working on a 64-bit system. Well, let's get started. We will now download Windows 11 by going to Google and typing Download Windows 11 in the search bar. We will go to the first link. We will scroll down until we find this option. Download Windows 11 disk image. Now we will click here and select Windows 11. Then we press Confirm. Here we will choose the Windows language. We must choose the same language in Windows 10. Here I will choose the United States English language. Then we press Confirm. Here we will click on 64-bit download. I have already downloaded Windows. Now I will extract the Windows files to a virtual drive by right-clicking on it and selecting Mount. Now let's check if this device meets the requirements for Windows 11 or not. I will now double-click the setup file. As you can see, this device does not meet the requirements of Windows 11 because it does not support a TPM chip, and it does not have the minimum RAM requirement. To bypass the Windows 11 requirements, we'll click here and write CMD. Then we press Enter. This window will appear. Here we will write this command. You will find this command in the description box. Then we press Enter. Now we will click on this option and select Not Now. If you want to download drivers and updates, leave the selection on the first option. Then I will click on Next. I will now click Accept after successfully bypassing the Windows 11 requirements. Here I will choose to keep the files, settings, and programs. Then I will click on Next. Now I will click on Install to begin the Windows 11 upgrade process. If you are using a laptop, you must make sure it is connected to a power source. The upgrade process was completed successfully without any data loss. To check Windows 11 version, type WinVer into the search bar. As you can see, the upgrade has been done to the latest version of Windows 11 25H2. If you want to revert to Windows 10, you can do so within 10 days of the upgrade. To do that, we click on the Windows logo and go to Settings. Then we click on System. Then we look for the Recovery option. Here we will find the Go Back option. Then I will click on Next. I will press No Thanks. Then I will click on Next. Then I will click on Next. Here I will click on Go Back to Windows 10. After that, the computer will restart until the process is complete. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.